Welcome to homework.
So here we are going to set up an XYZ coordinate system. So we have an XYZ coordinate system. And we can say that the individual planes, we can say XY, YZ, and XZ planes serve as mirror surfaces. If that is the case, we're going to suppose an incident light ray A strikes the XY plane first. If we are going to denote a unit vector, we can say that the direction of A would be equal to cosine of alpha I prime, or other I hat, plus cosine of beta j hat, plus cosine of gamma k hat. At this point, we can say that alpha, beta, and gamma are the angles that the incident light ray A makes with the axes. After reflection off the y-plane, so we can say after reflection off xy plane, we can then say that the direction of A becomes cosine of alpha I prime plus cosine of beta j prime minus cosine of gamma k prime. Essentially, now it's going to, we can say next, light ray A strikes mirror surface in the XZ plane. Given this, A is then reflected, of course. And direction of A becomes, we can then say that this would be cosine of alpha I prime minus cosine of beta j prime, again minus cosine of gamma k prime. Finally, A reflects off mirror surface on YZ plane, and we can then say that the unit vector direction of A becomes, we can then say negative cosine alpha I prime negative cosine beta j prime minus cosine gamma k prime, and this is of course exactly reversed from A's initial direction, where all of the coefficients of cosine were of course positive. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.